Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English vocabulary quiz. What do you wear on your head to keep warm? Socks, hat, shirt, hat. What is the opposite of tall? Short, wide, huge. Short. What do you use to clean your teeth? Soap, toothbrush, fork. Toothbrush. Which one is a fruit? Potato, apple, chicken. Apple. What do you call the place where you live? School, home, office. Home. Which animal says meow? Dog, bird, cat. Cat. What is the opposite of happy? Sad, angry, excited. Sad. What do you use to listen to music? Charging block, headphones, keyboard. Headphones. What do you use to write a letter? Shoes, book, pen. Pen. Which one is a vegetable? Cake, carrot, watermelon. Carrot. What is the opposite of slow? Large, old, fast. Fast. Where do you go to see a doctor? Restaurant, hospital, park. Hospital. What do you call a female sibling? Sister, brother, cousin. Sister. What do you use to carry your books to school? Jacket, basket, backpack. Backpack. What do you drive to work? Couch, car, sled. Car. What is the opposite of old? New, fast, wide. New. What do you use to protect your eyes from the sun? Gloves, belt, sunglasses. Sunglasses. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes, pants, jacket. Shoes. Where do you go to buy books? Grocery store, gas station, bookstore. Bookstore. What is the opposite of night? Day, evening, dusk. Day.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.